In the bustling city of Brightville, there lived a young artist named Oliver. With his vivid imagination and skilled hands, Oliver had the ability to bring colors to life on canvas. His paintings adorned galleries and captured the hearts of those who beheld them. One day, while strolling through the busy streets, Oliver stumbled upon a quaint antique shop tucked away in a hidden corner. Intrigued, he stepped inside, where his eyes were immediately drawn to a dusty, old painting resting on an easel. The painting depicted a lush, enchanted forest, alive with vibrant hues and ethereal creatures. Unable to resist its allure, Oliver inquired about the painting's origins. The shop owner revealed that it was rumored to be a portal to a magical realm, where creativity and inspiration thrived. Eager to unlock his artistic potential, Oliver made a bold decision and purchased the painting. Back in his humble studio, Oliver positioned the painting in the center, feeling a sense of anticipation coursing through his veins. As he gazed at the artwork, he noticed a subtle shimmer spreading across the canvas, as if the colors were coming alive. With a mixture of trepidation and excitement, Oliver reached out and touched the painting. To his astonishment, he was transported into the very world he had depicted, a realm of enchantment and boundless creativity. In this wondrous land, Oliver encountered majestic creatures made of pure imagination. The trees whispered secrets of inspiration, and the rivers flowed with hues of the rarest pigments. Every step he took sparked a burst of colors, as if the world itself was a living canvas. As days turned into weeks, Oliver immersed himself in this magical realm, honing his skills and exploring the depths of his artistic expression. He encountered fellow artists who shared their techniques and wisdom, and together, they created masterpieces that merged reality and dreams. With newfound confidence and a palette filled with experiences, Oliver returned to Brightville, eager to share the magic he had discovered. He opened an art gallery that showcased not only his own works, but also the creations of artists from both realms, the real world and the enchanting realm of the painting. The gallery became a haven for creativity and inspiration, attracting artists and art enthusiasts from far and wide. It served as a bridge between the ordinary and the extraordinary, reminding everyone that the world is a canvas waiting to be painted with dreams and imagination. Oliver's art touched the hearts of many, igniting a spark of passion in their own artistic endeavors. The city of Brightville transformed into a vibrant hub of creativity, with murals adorning its walls and sculptures gracing its parks. The people of the city embraced their own artistic gifts, and the spirit of imagination flourished in every corner. And so, Oliver's journey through the magical painting not only transformed his own life, but also left an indelible mark on the world around him. He taught others to see the beauty in the ordinary and to embrace the power of their own creative visions. The story of Oliver and the enchanted painting became a legend, inspiring generations to follow their passions and let their imagination soar.